Hello. This during our class for the first three lessons, and you'll notice that when you're in the course room that you'll see that I number my assignments as in unit U01A1 is unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, and so on. But the first three units we'll be using a program called SIMNet, and what it does is it simulates Outlook, and it has some detailed lessons in it that I really like. This is just for the first three chapters, and what you'll do here is you'll click on this McGraw-Hill SIMNet link, and you need to register. So as a student, the first thing it'll do is it'll come up with a message similar to this, and since you have not registered, you would go to no, and what it noticed, it picks up your first name and last name from Canvas. So that's what you're going to be doing, is putting in your first name and last name. Now I'm going to use my Questa email address, and you should use your Questa email address as well. So it would be your My Questa account, and mine is and then my username, that would be a designated name that I choose. And since this is a test student account, I'm going to say, just call it Questa Test. You can put in any name you'd like, just make sure it's unique. And then my student ID. This would most likely be the student ID that Questa gives you. And since this is a test account, I'm just going to throw in a number here. When Questa, when we register this in SIMNet, it synchronizes with SIMNet. So just to be sure, I'm going to give it a password and accept the terms and then create. Now, generally, SIMNet is it requires a purchase, but because this is a new program and that we only get 3 chapters, not the entire book, the publisher has agreed to give all of you a free entry to this version of SIMNet. Now, when you get there, they're giving you courtesy access. So go ahead and put in your courtesy access, and they will give you a they have confirmed, the publisher has confirmed that they will extend this trial. So then no, I do not have a code. Let's see, wait. Okay, so here I am, and I don't have to buy, you don't have to buy anything. So let's go to the assignments. Now in here, now they're showing you each one of the SIMNet modules that we have. And notice that in the 3 modules, this would be the first one that's assigned to you, then the second and the third. And in the 3 modules, you also have 1 exam. This one is a practice exam, and this is the actual exam. So my idea was for you to take the practice exam, and you can take it as many as 5 times and get yourself familiar with what is on the test. And then once you've completed that, you can take the actual exam. Okay, so right now what you would do is click on take the exam. You're still getting 41 points for just taking the practice exam, but I would make sure that you got it right. Okay, because it's a simulated exam, and when you go through, there are different things that you're going to have to do within Outlook to complete this test properly. Okay, so it'll tell you request a read receipt, and you'll learn how to do this in the first 3 chapters. But that's what this test is all about. It's a completely, to review it, you have 5 tries to review and then take the actual test. So I'm going to exit this particular video, and I hope you have a nice beginning.